Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn on Messenger chat head. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find your chats, people, and here you're going to find stories. So right now, if you go to the top left corner, you're gonna find this little sandwich icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on it, right here in the top, you're gonna find your profile name or your account name. And right next to it, you're gonna find this gear icon. Go ahead and click on it, and then this will take you to your settings. So once you're here in settings, just scroll a little bit down until you find preferences. Here under preferences, you're going to find avatar, notifications and sounds, privacy and safety, data saver, photos and media. And here under it, you're going to find chat heads. So if you want to activate the chat head, just go ahead and click on enable. And then this will take you right here. Turn on chat heads. Chat heads let you talk on Messenger even while you're using other apps. Turn on permit join over other apps. Go ahead and click on go to settings, and then this will take you right here, appear in the top. Then search in this list for Messenger. Once you find it, click on enable, and then go back, and the chat heads are activated. So right now, when someone sends you a message on Messenger, his chat head will appear. You can also click on the person you want to activate chat heads for. For example, this one, just click on open chat head. And as you can see, guys, it will be opened. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.